Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the some basic concept of chemistry. In this we discuss here the question what is bond and explain the types of bond. Okay, what here? So we take the first what is bond. So question is what is bond and explain the types of bond. What we take here? The explain of types of bond. Okay. So first of all, what is bond? So bond is defined as the electrostatic force of attraction which held two atom together called as here bond. Clear beta? So bond is defined as the electrostatic force of attraction which held two atom together called as bond. For example, AB. So we take the two atom, one atom is A and second is the B. So these dash indicate what here? The bond. What here? Bond here. Okay. So the electrostatic force of attraction which held two atom together called as bond. Now we take the question types of bond. What here? So we take the question here types of bond. So first we take here covalent bond. First we take what here? Covalent bond. You know what is covalent bond? So the covalent bond is also called as a covalency bond. So the covalent bond is defined as the bond which formed by equal sharing of electron in between the two atoms called as here what? Covalent bond. Okay. For example, these bond also form in between the two atoms, these two atoms which have the same valency. For example, H2, O2, Cl2, C, single bond C. All these atoms contain which bond? Covalent bond. This is right in the form of H single bond H. Here the oxygen right form O single bond O. Okay. Third, Cl2 form will be right form by Cl and C is at this. Okay. So all these atoms contain which bond? Covalent bond. So define the covalent bond. So the covalent bond is defined as the equal sharing of electron in between the two atoms, the bond form called as the covalent bond. Clear beta? Whereas in another word we can say that the bond formed by the two atoms, these two atoms have the same valency, For example, the valency of H is 1, so this H also 1, oxygen valency is 2, so also 2, the Cl is 1 and 1. Okay. So the bond formed by equal sharing of electron between the two atoms is also called as covalent bond, whereas the bond formed by the two atoms which have the same valency is also called as what here? Covalent bond. Clear beta? Okay. So you know that the one bond formed by the two electron, how the bond is formed? For example, the bond in between these two hydrogen formed by what? This H gives the one electron in the form of dot and second H also give the one electron in the form of dot here. So what we get from the bond? It means one bond formed by the how many electron? Two electron. If these two atoms are equal sharing of electron, देखो यहाँ पर बेटा यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन जो है वो इलेक्ट्रॉन एक दे रहा है और H भी एक दे रहा है, तो ये इक्वल शेयरिंग हो रहा है ना, तो इक्वल शेयरिंग से कौन सा बॉन्ड फॉर्म होता है? कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड. क्लियर? अगर दो एटम में इक्वल शेयरिंग होती है इलेक्ट्रॉन की तो उसमें कौन सा बॉन्ड बनेगा? कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड. इट मीन्स one bond formed by how many electron? Two electron. Okay. It is the example of what here? Carbon, single bond carbon. These two atoms also contain which bond here? Covalent bond. Why? Because this one carbon gives the one electron to another carbon. See, it forms the what bond here? One bond is here. Clear beta? So in a simple language, the bond formed by the two atoms in which these two atoms are equally sharing of electron into each other to form the covalent bond. Okay. Or in a simple language, the bond formed by the two atoms which these two atoms have the same valency, it also called as a what here? Covalent bond. Clear beta? Now the covalent bond also have a two types. The covalent bond also have a two types. How many types? Two types here. One is called as what here? Sigma bond. First called what here? Sigma bond. Okay. And second B is called as what here? Pi bond. What we take here? Pi bond. It is called as what here? Sigma bond. This sigma is also write in the symbol this dash. This what symbol indicate what here? Sigma. So there are two types of covalent bonds, sigma bond and pi bond. What is sigma bond? The bond formed by the SS orbital. The bond formed by SS orbital or sp orbital, it is also called as what here? Sigma bond. Whereas what is a pi bond? The pi bond is formed by pp overlapping और pp orbital, यानी एक एटम का p orbital दूसरे एटम के p orbital से रिएक्ट हुआ तो कौन सा बॉन्ड बनेगा बेटा? कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड. क्लियर? सो द कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड हैव अ टू टाइप्स, सिग्मा बॉन्ड एंड पाई बॉन्ड. द सिग्मा बॉन्ड फॉर्म बाय व्हाट हियर? axial. What here? Sigma bond are formed by axial AXAIL, axial overlapping of what here? SS or SP orbital. What here? SS or SP orbital called as the what here? Sigma bond. Whereas the pi bond formed by the lateral LETRAL, lateral what here? Lateral overlapping of what here? PP orbital called as what here? Which bond form? Pi bond is formed. It means the covalent bond have a two types, sigma bond and pi bond. The sigma bond formed by axial overlapping of SS or SP orbital, whereas pi bond formed by what here? Lateral overlapping of pp orbital. Which is the sigma bond and which is the pi bond? How to identify? How to identify in the compound which is a sigma bond and which is a pi bond? For example, C double bond C, okay, C single bond C, C triple bond C. All these compound which contain what here? These two carbon contain double bond, here contain single bond, here contain triple bond. ठीक है बेटा? तो अब आपको चेक करना है कि इसमें कौन सा बॉन्ड जो है सिग्मा है और कौन सा पॉय है. ठीक है? ओके. सो इन द दिस कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड इज आल्सो कॉल्ड यू नो अल्कीन. व्हाट हियर? अल्कीन. दिस सिंगल बॉन्ड कॉल्ड इज व्हाट हियर? अल्केन. and this triple bond called is what here? Alkyne. What here? Alkyne. Clear? So here we take the what? Alkane, alkene, alkyne. Clear? So in this compound these two bond in between these two carbon here, one bond is called as sigma. So this upper is called as what here? Sigma, and lower called as here pi bond. It means in the carbon carbon double bond one bond is sigma and which is one second is pi. So and after all that the which is bond stronger? So sigma bond is stronger than what here? Pi bond. Why? Because the sigma bond formed by SS axial overlapping, whereas the pi bond formed by lateral overlapping. तो ज़्यादा एक्सियल ओवरलैपिंग हुआ बेटा वो बॉन्ड स्ट्रांग होगा, इसलिए ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग कौन सा रहेगा? सिग्मा बॉन्ड रहेगा एज कम्पेयर व्हाट हियर? पाई बॉन्ड. क्लियर बेटा? सो अगर आपको डिटेक्ट करना है कि विच इज सिग्मा बॉन्ड तो फर्स्ट कॉल्ड इज सिग्मा, सेकंड इज कॉल्ड इज व्हाट हियर? पाई. इन दिस वन इज कॉल्ड इज सिग्मा. ओके. whereas this carbon carbon contain which bond? Triple bond. So in this the one is called as sigma and two is called what here? Pi. यानी जो अल्केन है बेटा, अल्कीन में वन बॉन्ड सिग्मा और एक बॉन्ड क्या रहेगा? पाई रहेगा. अल्केन में सिंगल बॉन्ड में सिंगल बॉन्ड जो रहेगा वो सिग्मा रहेगा, और अल्काइन में ट्रिपल बॉन्ड में क्या रहेगा? वन इज सिग्मा एंड टू इज पाई. वन इज सिग्मा, टू इज पाई. तो याद रखो बेटा, आपको क्वेश्चन पूछता है आपको आइडेंटिफाई द सिग्मा एंड पाई बॉन्ड. सो अल्केन में सिंगल बॉन्ड है, कॉल्ड एज ऑल इज कॉल्ड एज द सिग्मा बॉन्ड. वेयर अल्कीन कंटेन विच बॉन्ड? वन इज सिग्मा एंड वन इज पाई. अल्काइन कंटेन वन sigma and 2 pi bond. Clear? So we take the question, what is bond? Types of bond, we take the types of bond. In which types of bond we take the first covalent bond. What is covalent bond? The covalent bond formed by the equal sharing electron between the two atoms called as covalent bond. For example, all these example contain which bond is here? Covalent bond. Or in another word, simple language, the bond formed by the two atoms which have the same valency. For example, hydrogen 1 valency, also form the what here? Bond. This 1 they indicate what here? Valency. Covalent bond is also called as covalency bond. It means the bond formed by the two atoms which have the same valency called as the covalent bond or covalency bond. Okay? So further, the covalent bond have a two types. Covalent bond have a two types. One is called a sigma bond, symbol sigma. This indicates sigma bond. Pi bond. So what is sigma bond? The sigma bond formed by axial overlapping of a SS or sp orbital to form the what here? Sigma bond. Whereas what is the pi bond? The bond formed by lateral overlapping of pp orbital called as pi bond. Now in the compound which is sigma bond, which is pi bond, how to identify it? We take example here. Alkene means carbon double bond called as alkene. It contains one sigma bond, one pi bond, whereas the alkane contains one only the sigma bond, okay, whereas the alkyne contains one sigma bond and two pi bond. Clear hai beta? So it is called as what here? The covalent bond. Okay. So question क्या था हमारा? Define the bond, explain the types of bond. We take the first covalent bond. ठीक, what we take the first? Covalent bond. ठीक है बेटा? Now okay, now we take the second here, what? Hydrogen bond. What we take here second? So second we take the which bond here? Hydrogen bond. और second we take the what here? Ionic bond. अब second topic लेते हैं बेटा हम लोग, what is the ionic bond? So we take the second ionic bond. How the ionic bond is formed? So what is the ionic bond? So the bond formed by the one atom are donate the electron and second atom are accept the electron. The bond form is called as what here? The ionic bond. The or simple language, the bond formed by the two ions. How many ions? Two ions. One ion is called as negative part called as anion, and second ion called as what? Positive part called as a cation. Clear? Question क्या है बेटा? Define the ionic bond. The bond formed by the two atom in which the one atom will be accept the electron and second atom are donate the electron. The bond form is called as a what? Ionic bond. Or simple language, the bond formed by the what? Two different charge. One is called as negative and second is called as positive. It's also called as what here? Ionic bond. For example, in NaCl, the NaCl contain which bond? Covalent bond. How this form? So when a sodium is react with Cl, chlorine, what is the atom number of sodium? 11. What is the atom number of chlorine? 17. So we take the electron configuration 2, 8, 1. Here we take 2, 8, 7. So it is the sodium. Okay, sodium have the atom number is 11, where the chlorine has the atom number what here? 17. So the electronic configuration of sodium is what? 2, 8, 1. Whereas the electronic configuration of Cl is what here? 2, 8, 7. So in this sodium, one electron is extra. It means the sodium have the octet is complete. आपको दिखाई दे रहा है बेटा? You know octet? Octet means in the outermost shell or valence shell of any element which contain 8 electron called as octet completed. Or any compound which have the octet is complete, it shows the which nature is stable in nature. Like that of noble gas element, or is also called as the group 18 element. It is called as also the chemical inert element. अगर एक मरतबा किसी भी कंपाउंड के वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन में 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन आ जाते हैं बेटा, तो वो जो एलिमेंट रहता है वो स्टेबल होता है, किसी भी रिएक्शन में टेक पार्ट नहीं करता, जैसे क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? केमिकल इनर्ट एलिमेंट. व्हाट इज द केमिकल इनर्ट एलिमेंट? The chemical inert element means it does not take part in the chemical reaction. Why? Because its octet is complete. तो यहाँ पर देखो बेटा इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्स्ट्रा यहाँ पर एक है, तो ये इजीली लॉस कर देगा. यहाँ 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, ये क्या करेगा? गेन करेगा. तो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन जो सोडियम किसे देगा बेटा? वो Cl को, तो इसका जो कॉन्फिगरेशन क्या बनेगा, Na जो इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस कर रहा था, चार्ज क्या आ रहा है इसके ऊपर, पॉजिटिव, क्लियर, ओके। देन Cl इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या कर रहा है बेटा, गेन कर रहा है, चार्ज क्या आएगा, नेगेटिव। सो Na है द कॉन्फिगरेशन 2,8 by 2,8 because this one electron are lost by sodium, and similarly this Cl loss gain of one electron to change to what here, 2,8,8. Clear beta? So what is the ionic bond? The bond formed by the two atom in which one atom loss electron. So sodium loss electron, same time second atom gain electron. So Cl gain electron to form the electronic configuration 2,8 whereas 2,8,8. So the bond formed by the what here, one atom loss electron and second atom gain electron, this called is what here, so bond form the what, ionic bond. Or in another language we can say that the bond formed by two opposite charge or two different charge. How many charge? Two charge, positive or negative. So the bond formed by the two opposite charge, one is called plus, second is called minus. The bond is formed is called as Na single bond Cl. This Na single bond Cl, it contain which bond? Ionic bond. Which bond here beta? Ionic bond. Okay, it means NaCl means sodium chloride is called as a common salt or table salt or general salt, NaCl. So NaCl contain which bond here? So NaCl contain a what? Ionic bond. Which bond here beta? Ionic bond. Clear? What is ionic bond? The bond formed by the two atom in which the one atom are electron loss, sodium electron loss, same time the Cl electron are gain. So the bond formed is called as the what? Ionic bond, or in a simple language, the bond formed by two opposite charge, different charge, one is plus, second is minus, is also called as what here? Covalent, what here? Ionic bond. Clear बेटा? तो क्वेश्चन हमने 3 देखा बेटा यहाँ पर। पहला क्या देखा था? What is bond? Explain the types of bond. First bond we take the types here, covalent bond. Okay, it's example. The covalent bond also have two types, sigma bond and pi bond. Clear? And how to identify the sigma bond, pi bond, we take the example here. ठीक है? Now second types of the bond here we take the what? Ionic bond. How this form? We take the definition as well as what here example. Okay? Clear है बेटा? तो इसके 4 types है. What? The bond have the 4 types. First covalent bond and second ionic bond. ये दोनों फिनिश हुआ. अभी जो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर जो रहेगा उसमें अपनी दो टाइप बाकी है इसके, एक हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड और सेकंड है मेटेलिक बॉन्ड, वो हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.